The Renishaw Probing Package is a fully integrated optical probing system available for the FlexCNC platform. It automatically establishes work offsets, measures tool dimensions, and performs in-process part inspection directly within the machining environment. Accuracy and efficiency are critical in modern machining operations. The Renishaw Probing Package reduces setup time, automates tool measurement, and can detect broken tools before they impact part quality or machine performance. The result is improved process consistency, reduced operator error, and greater confidence when machining large, complex, or high-value components. The Renishaw Probing Package is designed for manufacturers and job shops producing tight tolerance, large format, or high-value parts where precision, repeatability, and reduced scrap are essential. Improve accuracy and streamline your machining process with the Renishaw Probing Package for the FlexCNC.